Hello Bachcha Party. Today onwards I am going to start a beginner series of drawing. If you are the one who love to draw but don't know how to draw it, then this series is definitely for you. So please join me to learn step by step drawing. The only thing that you need is your smile and lots of energy. So let's start our classes. Hello my friends, today we are going to draw a color palette and a paint brush. So for that you need a scale, 2 sharp pencils, 1 sharpener, 1 rubber and a circular scale. If you don't have it, you can use any circular object. Like here I have a lid of a container. So let's get started. First of all, you have to take a cover of a container or any circular object that you have at your home. So put it on the drawing page like this and put pressure from the middle. Now make a circle slowly. Yes, like this. The circle is ready. Now rub a corner from any side, like I choose here. Rub it here gently. Yes, like this. Now make a curve. I think it's a U-shaped curve will suit it, like a U. You have to make a curve and join these 2 dots. From here to here, join the dots with a curve. Now for color palette, you need few circles in your color palette. For this you need some circular object, like I have a circular sharpener here. Put it here in the same way and put pressure and make a circle slowly. Here we go. For second circle, we'll do the same thing. And a circle in the middle. See? Now our color palette is ready. So if we have a color palette, how can we draw without a brush? So let's draw a paint brush. For this, we need a scale. Now point a dot here and from this dot, we are going to draw 2 diagonal lines, one on the left like this and one on the right from the same point. It's like a V shape, V for van. Now we have to join these 2 dots. So we will draw a line like this. It's like an ice cream cone, right? Now we need another line here. Now the body of the brush is ready. So we need some bristles for the brush. So from this point, we need to draw a curve up to there. Make a point there. Now we draw a curve. Yes, like this. And from this another point, we have to join this point. So we will make another curve. Yes. Here we go. So to decorate this brush, we need some wavy lines like W or some waves. Now our brush is ready. And here we make a drop of the color. Our color palette and paint brush is ready now. You can also color it with beautiful colors. I also colored my drawing. This is how it looks like in the end. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more, then I am going to post some more exciting videos in the future. So stay tuned. Bye-bye.